In the context of the Airman Certification Standards task related to the National Airspace System, risk management is a critical skill that aspiring pilots must demonstrate. This skill entails the ability to identify, assess, and mitigate risks associated with various classes and types of airspace. It encompasses several vital components. Recognizing airspace types. An applicant must proficiently identify and understand the different classes and types of airspace. This includes Class Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, and Golf airspace, along with special use airspace like military operating areas, restricted areas, and temporary flight restrictions. Risk assessment. Once the airspace types are identified, the applicant must conduct a thorough risk assessment. This involves recognizing the distinct risks associated with operating each type of airspace. For instance, the risks involved in flying within Class Bravo airspace around major airports are notably different from those associated with operating in Class Golf airspace within uncontrolled areas. Mitigation strategies. The core of risk management lies in the applicant's ability to proactively address and minimize these identified risks. This entails planning alternative routes, adjusting altitudes, maintaining clear and effective communication with air traffic control, and adhering to regulatory requirements that are specific to each airspace class. Let's dive deeper into an example on the differences between the risks associated with Class Bravo and Class Golf airspace. Operating within Class Bravo airspace, typically found around major airports, presents unique challenges. Risks here primarily stem from high air traffic density, complex arrival and departure procedures, and strict ATC control. Pilots must contend with fast-moving commercial and general aviation traffic, requiring impeccable situational awareness, precise communication, and adherence to strict clearance instructions. Deviations from instructions or failure to maintain the required separation distances pose serious collision risks. In contrast, Class Golf airspace is typically found in uncontrolled, less densely populated areas. Risks in Class Golf airspace tend to revolve around reduced ATC oversight and potential encounters with other general aviation traffic. Pilots in these areas must exercise heightened vigilance, as there may be less radar coverage and communication with ATC may be less frequent. Weather hazards such as rapidly changing conditions, thunderstorms, and low visibility also pose risks. Additionally, pilots must be aware of potential obstructions such as terrain and obstacles in these areas. The risk management section of the ACS task for the National Airspace System aims to ensure that applicants have a comprehensive understanding of airspace types, can assess the specific risks associated with each type, and are proficient in implementing risk mitigation strategies.